Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead.
Thanks. It's pretty crowded today. I didn't expect this place to be so busy on a weekday.
Yeah, same here. I guess it's a popular spot. Do you come here often?
Not really. First time here. I was just looking for a quiet place to get some work done. How about you?
I come here every now and then. I like the coffee and the atmosphere is nice. So, are you working on something important?
Kind of. I'm a freelance writer, so I was hoping to get some writing done. But with all the noise, I might just relax instead.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of writing do you do?
Mostly articles and blogs, sometimes short stories when I have the time.
That's interesting. I've always admired people who can write creatively. I'm not very good at it myself.
Well, everyone has their strengths. What do you do?
I work in marketing, mostly social media and branding stuff. It's creative in its own way, I guess.
Definitely. Marketing and writing actually have a lot in common. Both need a good sense of storytelling.
True. I never thought of it that way.
By the way, what coffee do you recommend here?
Oh, the caramel latte is really good. Or if you like something stronger, their espresso is great too.
Sounds good. I think I'll try the caramel latte.
Good choice. So, do you usually work from coffee shops?
Sometimes, I like the change of scenery, but other times, I just stay home in my pajamas and write.
Haha, that sounds like a dream job. Sam, it has its ups and downs, but yeah, I enjoy it.
Well, it was nice chatting with you. I should get going, though.
Yeah, same here. Thanks for the coffee recommendation.
No problem. Maybe I'll see you around here again.
Yeah, maybe. Have a good day.
You too.
Some days, I just want to pack my bags and go on a long vacation.
Oh my God, me too. I was actually thinking about taking a trip. Just a weekend getaway, you know.
That sounds amazing. Any place in mind?
I was thinking of going to the mountains, somewhere peaceful, where I can just relax and recharge.
That sounds perfect. You always loved nature. Remember our hiking trip last year?
Of course, that was one of the best trips ever. We had so much fun, even though we got lost for a bit.
Ha ha. Yeah, that was an adventure. But honestly, we should plan another one soon.
Definitely. Let's do it. Maybe next month.
Yes. I'll check my schedule and let's book something.
Great. So, how's work treating you?
Och, don't even ask. It's exhausting. I feel like I'm just stuck in a routine.